Since its debut, the Toyota RAV4 has shaped what drivers expect from a compact SUV. Known for its dependability, functionality, and forward-thinking design, it's built a legacy through leadership. This is innovation rooted in heritage. This is the next generation RAV4. Now, the 2026 model ushers in a new era. Introducing updated styling, enhanced technology, and 3 new styles that bring the RAV4 philosophy to life in bold, new ways. The 2026 RAV4 delivers the freedom and confidence to embrace what lies ahead. For those who appreciate refinement, RAV4 Limited presents a sleek, integrated grille and signature hammerhead front end that establishes an air of elevated style. Available 20-inch alloy wheels contribute to its sculpted and captivating presence. Available Softex trim seats and a modern tech-forward design elevate this driver-focused cockpit. Appealing to those with a spirit for exploration, RAV4 Woodland showcases an attention-grabbing split grille, Rigid Industries LED fog lights, raised roof rails with crossbars, and a rear activity mount. Inside, signature all-weather mats, soft touch panels with a grade-specific design pattern, and Softex trim seating with exclusive embossed details provide a premium tactile experience and distinctive design with its red-orange stitching. For those who seek exhilaration, the first ever GR Sport delivers. With an aerodynamic design punctuated by an exclusive front fascia GR Matrix grille, as well as functional active cooling ducts, red GR branded brake calipers, and 20-inch alloy wheels paired with performance summer tires. Available two-tone exterior colors and front and rear spoilers further reflect its aggressive style. The sport-inspired interior details, including ultra-suede trimmed sports seats, aluminum sport pedals, and prominent GR logos elevate the driving experience. Whether connecting, exploring, or simply cruising, the 2026 RAV4 amplifies every moment with its purposeful design and distinct character. Experience the next level of electrified performance, balancing capability with 2 distinct powertrains. The latest generation of Toyota's acclaimed hybrid system offers near instantaneous torque combined with impressive fuel economy. The available plug-in hybrid system brings added power that helps make RAV4 so exciting to drive, especially with the added control of the available paddle shifters. Plug-in hybrid models also have a manufacturer-estimated electric-only driving range of up to 50 miles, suitable for many commutes with 0 tailpipe emissions, all while offering the flexibility of conventional fueling for longer journeys. Additionally, the added capability of the Woodland grade with its standard all-terrain tires, and the sporty drive of the GR Sport model with its GR-tuned suspension. The added traction of available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive. The all-new 2026 RAV4 offers a version to suit diverse needs, whether navigating city streets, suburban roads, or winding trails. And with a towing capacity of up to 3,500 pounds on select all-wheel drive models, RAV4 is well-equipped to transport necessary gear. Discover the freedom of electrified exploration with the 2026 RAV4. RAV4 enhances every journey through intelligent technology. The all-new RAV4 introduces the latest generation of Toyota Safety Sense, TSS 4.0, as standard on all grades. This provides a comprehensive suite of advanced safety and convenience features, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Up front, an available new generation head-up display projects key information directly in the driver's line of sight and is now significantly larger than Toyota's previous head-up display. Beyond this, The all-new 2026 RAV4 also features upgraded audio multimedia technology. A standard 10.5-inch or available 12.9-inch touchscreen debuted Toyota's newest audio multimedia platform with faster processing speeds and increased storage compared to the previous system. This generation continues to include standard wireless compatibility with Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. And now, these wireless integrations extend to the standard, customizable 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, allowing drivers even more seamless connectivity options. The listening experience is also elevated with an available 800-watt 9-speaker JBL premium audio system. RAV4 prioritizes intuitive tech and convenience, helping to ensure every journey is enjoyable. The 2026 RAV4 delivers the style and versatility to complement any lifestyle. More than just an SUV, it's the key to unlocking what's next. Furthermore, RAV4 offers exceptional value and peace of mind, backed by Toyota's impressive hybrid warranties, such as an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first. Building on a legacy of leadership, this is the next generation RAV4. Discover more at Toyota.com.